I want to make a horn bag set or a bag for the saddle. These are the parts for one of them and the general part. So we have the face of the bag with the buckle and the keeper. This is the strap of the bag. This is a piece that will turn like this and will go in this piece. This is a sort of reinforcement and a part that will make everything look better. It's a design element. I already stitched one bag, so I will show you how it looks. It looks like this. I really love it. It is a very simple project. I struggled to make this piece. I hope it is good. So this is what it will stay. It will stay like this. And this on the saddle. So let's proceed. As you already know me, I will use glue to stitch this element. It is easier and it is faster, and you don't have to mark the size for the holes, but you can of course mark those holes. I will scrap. I don't have to scrap all of it. I already used edge paint to make this look good enough. I don't need a very strong bond, so I don't have to spread the glue on all this piece because it will be stitched. Usually I spread the glue with a brush. I don't know why, but spread with a brush the glue is better. It is a stronger bond. Okay. I hope it's not too boring. Because I don't need a strong bond, I don't have to let it dry. I can join the parts from the beginning. You will use the pattern to match the parts. I will match them ochiometrically. Oh, I can't keep it as I want. It glides. So I'll help myself with the weight. You see, like this. I will mark. So let me show you how I make the holes without using the pattern. I will use a compass to mark this line. Vuta. It is vuta. It is very strong, but it works. Then I will use this. So I will mark like this. You see? The space is exactly the space on the pattern. 5 millimeter. I have a good plastic for making the holes. I will make a few holes. I have 3 hammers. I prefer the smallest one. I always attach the punch on my finger. I made too many holes, so I have some problems to keep the punch in my hand. But believe me, it is a very good trick. The punch is Vuta. I use it since 2019, I think. It has 6-7 years and it made something near 1 million holes, I guess. Very good round punch, very good round punch. You see how easy I extract. You see, I don't keep it in my hand. You see? How can I make it clear? You see, I don't keep it. I have to be more precise because this is work. But look at this. I don't keep it to extract it, so it is as good as this. It cuts perfect and I can extract it in the simplest possible way with no effort. A different angle. Mai mult pentru tine, Ana. I will stitch this, and I will place the buckle here with glue, and after that we will do something else. So, as usual, this is my trusty magnetic pony stitch. I don't know where I place it to be inside here. I will start here. A few more steps. You see how fast it works? 2 needles in the same time in the same hole. I don't use John James, I use longer needles. With the smallest ear I can put the thread in. My 2 cats are on my workbench. Now I will place this here. I will glue it and then I will stitch it. So do it like this. The lazy cat is Mochi. The active one is Sushu, and I have another very old cat, near 19 years of age, that mostly sleeps. She visits from time to time the workshop, but not today. So, the buckle. Oh. Stop the music. Okay, see, this is the buckle. I will skive. Not my favorite position, but good enough. I think I need to sharpen my skiver. For sure. I want to be as parallel as I can, so I will help myself with this liner and this weight. Now, as central as I can. You have the pattern, of course, so you don't have this kind of problem. I don't make glues on holes on this because I like it. I need it as it is. I will mark signs for the holes like this. And this time I will make the holes without marking them with that tool. Mochi doesn't like the sound, so she goes. And so on, as I told you. I made these holes, I will stitch. I made these holes, I will stitch them too. I forgot to place the strap. I will glue it too, and I will make the holes in this strap, of course. But you will use the signs on the pattern. I'm in a hurry this time because I want to go and stitch in another room where it is very, very comfortable. I will mark the signs. I need to mark these signs because I want to look good. This one, this line without marking the holes because I can see where the holes are. And as I told you, I will make this stitching, this stitching, this stitching, and I will stitch one of the sides of the gusset, and after that I will come to stitch the other side of the gusset with you. I stitched this, I stitched this, I stitched the buckle, and now I will stitch the gusset. Of course, first 2-3 steps are really unpleasant, as usual, but after that everything will be okay. I'm careful not to punch the thread. Okay, and now I can speed. And so on. This is something very easy to stitch. And it will be exactly like this. So, see you later. I stitched these two, everything is stitched. Now I will paint the edges with edge paint. This time I will use a brush. It's faster this way for this I always have something to clean if I spread paint in a bad place. And so on. I will make these holes with a bigger round punch. But like this and like this. With a screwdriver it will be easier this time. Let's finish this. It was a struggle. I had to stop the filming because of these screws, and it's so not a good position. Ce bine că filmezi. Now I will close this. And this. And now it's ready. I think it is beautiful. See you next time.